Hi everyone, welcome to our showroom. Today we'll take you on a quick tour of our star products, each designed to bring your visual ideas to life. Let's get started. First up, check out our P3.91 indoor holographic screen. It's all about being lightweight and slim. It weighs only 5 kg per square meter and is only 1.7 mm thin. And the best part, it has no visible frame or bars in the middle of the screen, providing high visual transparency of 85 to 95% when attached to a glass window. Imagine the possibilities for your brand showrooms, retail store windows, museums, and the product launch events. How cool is that? Moving on to our transparent screen series. This is our indoor model. Each panel is 1 meter by 1 meter with a 75% transparency rate. It supports various installation methods like wall mounting, ground support, or top and bottom support. You'll see it perfectly used in shopping malls, office buildings, retail stores, and supermarkets. Need a solution for outdoors? We've got you covered. This is our outdoor transparent screen. It's versatile, great for both fixed installation and rental projects. The cabinets feature quick locks, making setup a breeze. You can also use our curved locks to create a seamless curved display. The cabinet measures 1000 by 500 mm, allows for front and rear maintenance, and has an IP65 protection level, so it's perfectly built for the elements. In recent years, at concerts and festivals, besides the main stage screens, our clients often choose this outdoor transparent screen to build two side screens. They look fantastic and deliver a stunning visual experience. Now let's talk about our outdoor mesh screen. Imagine a huge display on the side of a building. People are viewing it from far away in broad daylight. How do you make sure it's still clearly visible? The answer is our outdoor high brightness mesh screen. This product delivers an incredible brightness of up to 10,000 nits, ensuring perfect visibility even in direct sunlight. Ready to create something amazing together? Reach out to us for a custom quote or consultation. Find all the details and get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.